Ever tried typing chemical formulas or math powers in Word Mobile, but had no idea how to make text go up or down? Yep, Superscript and Subscript are hidden pretty deep, but once you know where they are, it's actually super easy. So here's how to do it in Word Mobile. First, highlight the text or number you want to change. Maybe it's something like 2 in meters squared, or the little number in H2O. After that, make sure you're inside the Home tab. Then scroll down until you find More Formatting. And boom, right there you'll see the options for Superscript and Subscript. If you want the text to appear slightly above the line, tap Superscript. Perfect for math formulas, exponents, footnotes, and stuff like that. But if you want the text to appear lower, like in chemical formulas, just select the text again, open More Formatting, and this time choose Subscript. That's it. Super quick once you know where the setting is hiding. Now your Word Mobile documents can look way cleaner and more professional, straight from your phone. And honestly, why is this feature so hidden in the first place?